Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create Google Meet link in mobile and share others. Let me show you how to do that in 2025. Yes, from my mobile, just go to Google Meet application over here. So I have installed the Google Meet application. So if you want, just go to Google Play Store and install the application called Google Meet. So Google Meet is used for creating the online meeting and to share the screens, everything. Just search in Google Meet in your mobile phone, Google Play Store, and install the application. So I have installed the application. So this is the application. Just open the application. So this is the app. So now I would like to create a meeting link. What I have to do here? First and foremost, you should log in with your Gmail account. So I have logged in with my Gmail account. So as you see here, so this is a symbol of my account. So if you have a different type of account, means you can choose according to your needs. Yes, so I have logged in with my Gmail account. Now I would like to start a new meeting, create a new meeting. So on my downside, there will be a new will be there. Just hit the button new. So there is a create link, schedule and group call. So for example, if you want to create a new meeting now itself to join, you can create a meeting like a link, or you can schedule the meeting, or you can call the group call. For example, these are my contacts. I can make a group call. So I can first create a link and share with my friends or my colleagues. What I have to do here? Just click create link. Automatically it will create a link of Google Meet. This is the Google Meet link. So you can copy or you can share with your uh, uh, participants. So I just click the share. So there will be a WhatsApp share and mail and Instagram. Wherever you want, you can access according to your needs. So this is a meeting link. You can copy the meeting link and you can paste it in the WhatsApp group also. Just close this and just go to WhatsApp, and you can copy and paste your Google Meet link. Yes, now I just go again to the Google Meet link. So I just want to join the meeting. So I just click here to join the meeting. So just click to join. Automatically it will join. First it will ask you your camera and mic whether working properly or not. So first check your camera and mic. For example, camera, if you want, you can logged in. Otherwise just remove, means your camera will be switched off. As well as if you want to disable your mic, also you can disable your mic as well as. So if you want to share your screen, you can share your screen or use compatible mode for your laptop as well as your desktop's format you can use. So this is a meeting link. You can click here to join the meeting link. So for example, if I want to enable the camera, so I want to change my background. For example, my fan, everything will be there displaying in my ceilings. I just click here to filter the background. So for example, I just want to choose a background, means automatically my background will be changed as you see here. So this is my background, it will change. So I can filter all the things. Also I can appear, for my appearance also I can change my brightness and colors. Everything will be, I can change according to my needs. So if I want to change any type of background, I can choose. I just scroll down and change my background. For example, if I want, I can change. So I can remove the colors, I can able to see. So these are my backgrounds as you see here. So my background has been changed to over here. So now I just want to join the meeting. What I have to do here? Just click here to join the meeting. Once I click here to join the meeting, automatically my meeting will be started over here. So you can able to see my screen will be there with the background, and you can share the invitation to your friends or your colleagues. So according to your social media, you can share. So if they join, means automatically your camera will be switched on and your mic will be mute as you see here in your downside. As you see, so this is my mic is switched off. If I want to enable the mic on so that everyone can listen whatever I'm talking, so that I just click here mic to listen whatever I'm talking, everything will be listened. So as you see the symbol of this, and if I want to mute mic as well as the camera, so everything will be switched off and it will be very calm. So similarly I can able to enable these options according to my need. There are many options will be there. So as you see here, there is a more controls will be there because you are the meeting host. So you created the link, you should know what is this, and you can able to see and you can able to switch the camera also. So there is a switch camera will be there. So you can click here to switch the camera according to your needs as you see here. So the front camera will be switched off as well as your back camera will be switched on. So you can choose the front camera as well as the back camera also. So if my background is there means my whatever is there, everything will be there in the background model. So similarly I can able to see this option. So if you want to make a speaker option so that whoever talking, the speakers will be enabled according to your needs. Otherwise you can click here to change into turn off the sound also. For example, if you are an online meeting, if you have some discussions with you, so if you want to turn off the sounds, you can click here to turn off the sound. Otherwise you can make a speaker or you can use your headphones. Yeah. So similarly you can click here for the more control. You will find in-call messages and screen sharing and show captions. Everything will be there. For example, I just want to share my screen to show whatever things. Just click here for the share screen option to continue to share my screen, and whatever the informations I'm making, everything will be displayed on that. As well as I just click here for captions. Whatever I'm talking, everything will be captured and it will give the subtitles according to the needs. As well as I just want to make a settings and host control and activities, everything will be there. For example, I just want to view a YouTube video. Just click here for the activities. You can identify the watch YouTube video with others, so you can make Google photos and heads of everything will be activities. So you can group activities you can make according to your needs. I just go back, so I just click here for the more activities to host control. So host control is more important. For example, you are a host, so you can enable and disable the option of the share screening, chat message, send reaction, everything. For example, you are a teacher, so you just enable this host control. You can give the permission for the students whether they can share the screen or they can send the message or send the reaction. So these are the disabled. If you want, you can enable the reactions, you can enable the message. So if they are disturbing your class, just disable this option. That is the host control. As well as the host join the meeting before anyone else, you can enable this option, means so that if you are enabled means you will allow the students to enter. As well as the meeting access will be that no one has asked to anyone dial or people join without asking. So you can trusted people or you can open for all, you can give according to your need. Maximum try to use a trusted one. So these are the main important for the meeting details. So you need to control your meeting according to your needs. As well as now you started the meeting, you are going somewhere else, just click here on the go, means automatically your meeting will be on, your camera and your mic will be switched off, so that you can go anywhere, you can listen whatever they are talking, but you cannot able to respond. So if you want, you just turn off this on go option, automatically you are into the meeting, so that you can enable the mic as well as the camera to do your work. So if you want to end up the call, just click here for the end of the call to end the call. So this is a simple and easiest way to create a meeting link to share with your friends and to conduct an online meeting. If you have any doubt, please make in a comment box whatever particular doubts you have. Just make a comment box, I'll create a video. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my house channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.